Hello everyone and welcome to Marketing Communication. My name is Alexon TV. So we continue with chapter 8. So we're doing chapter 8, which is building a marketing communication plan. How do we build in our marketing communication? How do we plan to achieve all this? So if you haven't watched the other chapters which we have done, which is chapter 1, introduction, chapter 2, understanding marketing communication, chapter 3, identify your target audience, chapter 4, establishing marketing communication objectives, chapter 5, crafting your unique selling proposition, chapter 6, choosing the right communication channel, in chapter 7, measuring and evaluating marketing communication. Please, you can go back, the videos are there, the recording, all the lectures, they are there. Okay, so now we'll do chapter 8, which is building the marketing communication plan. Okay. Building a communication plan is crucial for developing a cohesive and strategic approach to promote your product or services, reach your target audience, and achieving your marketing objectives. So execute your marketing communication plan by creating and distributing your marketing materials across the chosen channels. So after you have distributed your materials to all your channels, make sure to monitor your campaign progress and adjust your strategies as needed based on performance data and audience feedback. So when we say performance, we are just referring to our KPIs. When you correct all that information, and also at the same time, we correct the feedback, make sure to adjust where necessary. Then track relevant KPIs throughout your campaign to assess the effectiveness of your marketing communication effort. Use your data-driven insight to refine your strategies, optimize your campaign, and achieve better results over time, over those periods of time you want to succeed. Okay. So by following these steps, you can create a cohesive marketing communication plan that effectively reach your target audience. So make sure to communicate your value, proposition, and help you achieve your marketing objectives. Okay. So steps to create an effective plan. What are these steps? Okay. So creating an effective marketing communication plan involves several steps that help you develop a cohesive and strategic approach to promote your product or services. So here are the most essential steps to create an effective plan. These are the most important steps to follow. We can have several steps, but make sure follow these. So we have step number 1, define your objectives. You define what your objectives are. Then number 2, we have identify your target audience. So once you have identified your objectives, then the next step is to identify your target audience. Make sure to know their demographics, geographical locations, and also the pain points. That's what we mean when we say target audience. So once you have identified your target audience, so conduct a situational analysis. That's the point number 3. Make sure to conduct your situational analysis always. Okay. Then the other point is develop your unique selling proposition, USP. Once you have come up with a unique selling proposition, you'll be able to see that okay, your marketing communication is going as planned. So another point is select your marketing communication channel. Select your channel, very important. Whether it's digital, or whether it's tradition according to what you have gathered to your target audiences are. Okay. Then the other point is create compelling marketing messages. So make sure to have all the feedback, all the messages, so that you can have your marketing communication plan go as smoothly. So the other point is design visual appealing marketing materials. So this is where now the graphical design comes in to achieve better marketing communication. It can be in graphics, it can be maybe in message form. So make sure to have all this. Then the other point is establish a budget and timeline. Make sure you have your financial team to support you in achieving this budget. Make sure to have a budget and also to have a timeline of what you are really doing with that plan. Okay. Then the other point is implement your plan. When you have your plans, make sure to implement it. Okay. Then the other point, the last one, but not the least, we have measure and evaluate success. So once you have gathered all these steps, the last one is to measure and evaluate what you have planned. Okay. So by following these steps, you can create an effective marketing communication plan that helps you reach your target audience. Okay, so communicate your value proposition and achieve your marketing objectives. Okay, so let's dive into budgeting and resource allocation because this is one of the most aspects to consider all these plans, all these steps you want to achieve. This is also very important when it comes to finances. Okay, so budgeting and the resource allocation are essential aspects for successful marketing communication plan. Properly allocating resources ensure that your marketing efforts are efficient, cost effective, and focused on achieving your objectives. So make sure that you have your budget planned as well as resource allocation. You'll be planned this in advance. This so much it will go into this team. This it will go into this department. This into this department. So that you have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Okay. So schedule your marketing activities and allocate the necessary time and resource to each task. Ensure that your team has the capacity to complete their assigned responsibilities within the established timeline. So once you have allocated all this, make sure that your team members can achieve your goals in that timeline you have given them. Okay. Continuously monitor your marketing communication plan, performance, and make adjustments to your budget and resource allocation as needed. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, and use data-driven insights to optimize the marketing effort and achieve better results. So this is very also important. Don't just allocate, adjust where needed. Okay, don't waste resources, and also time is money. So make sure you have a planned program. Okay, by carefully budgeting and allocating resources, you can ensure that your marketing communication plan is cost effective, efficient, and focused on achieving your objectives. This will ultimately lead to more successful marketing campaigns and a fair return on investment. Okay. So implementing and managing your marketing communication plan. Implementing and managing your marketing communication plan involves a series of steps to ensure that your campaign runs smoothly and achieves its objectives. So foster a culture of collaboration and open communication within the team. Encourage team members to share their ideas, feedback, and insights to improve the overall effectiveness of the marketing communication plan. Make sure that not just your ideas on the lead. No, make sure to hear the point of views of all your team members so that you can have a stronger plans as well as ideas to improve your marketing communication. Okay. Recognize and celebrate the achievements of your team, both big and small. Huh? This will help to keep your team motivated and engaged in the ongoing success of your marketing communication plan. So you can have something like when you're in the business, you can have something like a best member or best player of the month. Like every month you should be choosing your most achievable member and you have a simple award to that person so that everyone in your company will be trying and put more effort so that he can be on top of other team members. By doing that, each and every member in that company will be trying to be on that level. Whilst you are doing that, you are boosting yourselves up. Okay? So regularly review your marketing communication plan to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Use the insights gained from your evaluation and team feedback to refine your strategies and achieve better results over time. So make sure to have all these. So by effectively implementing and managing your marketing communication plan, you can ensure that your marketing efforts will run smoothly, stay on track, and ultimately achieve your objectives. So we have come to an end of our chapter 8. It was quick, smooth, and understandable. Hope you have understood. If you haven't understood, make sure to pause, rewind, so that you can have all the information needed. Okay. So now we are going into chapter 9. We are going into the case studies. So these were just successful marketing communication campaigns. So we're just trying to look into this. Okay. So that we can help each other to understand more. Okay, thank you and see you in the next chapter.